Hey everybody, welcome back to The Good, The Bad and The Bitcoin. My name is Dirk Hartig and I want to talk today about Bitcoin and if maybe the party is already over. Maybe that was it already. Have we seen the absolute top? Did Bitcoin not even hit 100K to go into reverse mode now? Or is this something that is to be expected in a bull market, what we are seeing currently? If you don't know about my long-term view on Bitcoin, you should go back to the last video I recorded here where I was talking about this chart primarily here, the Bitcoin logarithmic regression. And according to this regression, I said it over and over again over the past, years really, we are still in the early stages of a bull market. However, but there is a but, of course, Bitcoin in phases like this, as any asset out there likes to overreact to the upside, and in a bear market, of course, also to the downside. And I said it, I think, last Friday on the live stream already that I do here on my channel every Friday, that what we are seeing currently resembles a bit the situation that we saw when we had the new all-time high coming in before the halving. So I'm talking here about mid-March of 2020. And whenever that happens, whenever we see a situation where we are more than 25% trading over the moving average, then normally a correction is inbound. You can see what happened here last time, where we had this period of sideways, volatile sideways moving markets. And this is kind of also what I'm expecting now. So, and we've seen this partially becoming true already. We are down now almost 7%. Or really 7% from the high we made here at almost 100,000 US dollars. So this is to be expected, and this is totally normal. And this is something you always find when you, for example, look here at CoinMarketCap at this fear and greed index, which still is at 81, meaning the market still is extremely greedy. This is always a situation where sooner or later we'll have that move where Bitcoin either goes sideways for a while until the moving averages can catch up, and it has caught up here a little bit. So last week it was trading at 73,000, now already at 75,000. And so we could see either a movement here sideways, or we see a movement all the way down to, let's say, 75 or 76,000 US dollars, or maybe 80,000 to kind of catch up with the average prices. Prices like to return to the averages. Another thing we want to look here very quickly, and I don't want to keep you, I don't want to talk you to death too much today, is here at this chart from my good friends at Into the Cryptoverse, which is the Bitcoin price color-coded by risk levels. And if we look there just at the times where Bitcoin was trading in the higher risk band, which is 0.6 and above, you see we had this last time here in November, last year in March, and we are now entering a zone like this again. You can see when that happened doesn't necessarily mean, that that's the end of things. Last time, for example, we had this here also in June of 2019, but it can mean that we are entering a bit of a consolidation period where the markets go either a bit sideways or correct to the downside. And you can be sure about one thing: if we really go down to, let's say, 85,000 or 80,000 US dollars, then the market will be like super depressed again, right? So not guaranteed that this happens. Just if you are, a swing trader, if you're looking for more short-term alpha in Bitcoin, I would really wait here to see if we see a move up to a move down here, either right away to where the moving averages are trading at the moment, especially this blue line here, or until those catch up again. And probably then is a good time to enter again. Because long term, you see, we haven't even left here the logarithmic regression channel, this green channel. So the best is yet to come, probably in 2025. However, if we look also here a little bit into the past, it was quite common also after leaving the channel here, for example, in 2020, early 2021, it was also quite common to see those corrections because this is a logarithmic chart. They look rather small, but back then, this, for example, was a correction of 13% back then. That felt huge. And we are going to see and continue to see things like this happen again, where Bitcoin reverses a bit again, and then finally probably will break out of the channel. So completely normal. If you're in long term, not really something to be worried about. If you're looking for more swing trading positions, I would be a little bit cautious at the moment and see first if we maybe go all the way down to the moving averages or wait until the moving averages kind of catch up a little bit with the market. That's it already today, so no cause to panic. Stay calm and hodl, so to say. Take care and bye-bye.